We keep hearing it. Write it down, visualize it, and magically it will appear in your life. But I think manifestation doesn't work like this, and most of the manifestations techniques failed because we are using them in a wrong way. And in this video I will share you my real story, like how I manifested love and my job in my life. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Soft Steps with Nimi, where we can deeply connect with ourselves. Today we will talk about my story, like how I manifested love and job in my life. Like last year I was very curious to know about like what is manifestation. Like I know everybody heard about the book The Secret. I read that book, and I thought like I also want to manifest something in my life. Like I was working Lululemon as a warehouse associate from last 2 years, and I was just stuck there, and I really wanted to do something. So you know what I did? I use a manifestation technique 555. Like for 5 days I write it down like 55 times in a day for 5 days. Like I am a data admin in Lululemon warehouse, so it's not like yeah, it worked, but it's not like worked like I was writing this so it just appeared in my life. No, it didn't work like that. I write it down, I did affirmations, and the main thing what we have to do if we want to manifest something in our life, we have to take actions. I think most of the manifestation is not working because we are just thinking like we just need to visualize it, we just need to like speak it loud and it will appear in our life. But no, manifestation doesn't work like this. We have to take actions. Like you know what I did for my job? I talked to my manager. I told him like I'm really interested in this job, I want to grow in this company, and I showed my interest that I'm very much interested in that job. So the second step I did, I applied for that job, because for 2 years I was just like I really wanted to do something, but I am not taking any actions. So the second thing that I did, I applied for job, and luckily I get my interview. And when I got my interview, I started to do preparation for my questions, like what I was thinking, like these questions are important for interview. I started to do preparation for that, and after my interview was good and everything was good, and I got my position as a data admin in Lululemon. So here is the lesson that I learned. Manifestation works only if you are taking actions. Like I take so many actions to get a job, but after that what I did, when I get, it was a seasonal role, when I get that position, after that I went to in a morning shift. I was like I don't know, I did not like the environment, I did not like the people, I don't know, I did not feel like I want to do this, like I want to continue this. I just started to take day offs, and I went to India, and in my mind I want to get permanent job there, but I don't want to do that. So showing up, like I just stopped to taking any efforts for this job, and you know what happened? I just lost that job. I did not get permanent positions there, and after that I was like no, I did so many things, I was doing very good work there, but I don't know how why I did not get that. But now I realize that I did not do anything. So yeah, I learned a lesson that manifestation works, but only when we are taking actions. And when I stopped to putting efforts in that job, I did not get that job. But after that I also realized that that was not meant for me, because it was just sitting in front of computer and doing the system work, and I don't want to do that. I just want to, what I'm doing right now, I love to do this. So the second thing I was talking, like I manifested love in my life. Okay, last year I was manifested some specific person. I was writing full script. It was like he had these qualities, these, and I just want to manifest some specific person. And you know what happened? A person came to my life, but that was not who I was, visualizing and manifesting. That was not. I manifested a man in my life who have all the qualities that I wrote down in my paper. I still have that papers where I wrote down like he have these qualities, because I also heard about this, like you can manifest your specific person. You have to write down. You have to be specific. But that time as I told in my last video, I liked somebody. I was manifesting him. In my mind, I was like, I just need that person. I was doing affirmations. I was doing, manifestation techniques just for that specific person. But, universe gave me a person who is just like me. He is ambitious. He have dreams like me. So right now I feel like that manifestation works. But as I told, like, you have to take actions. And the other thing is, for manifesting your specific person, you just need to write down the qualities that you need in a person, and try to be like that. Okay, when we want somebody in our life, okay, we are writing down these qualities I want in my specific person, and realize that, do you have these qualities? Like, for example, if I want I'm writing, he's a gym lover, he's very fit. Okay, do I have fit body? So first thing what I feel we have to do, we have to work on ourselves. We have to be like that person what we are writing on a paper for specific person. So that is the thing that I learned from manifestation. And the most important thing is, yeah, these things also works, like visualize it, feel it. I think write it down means like we are telling our subconscious mind that I need this thing. Okay, for example, I need millions of dollars in my bank account, but I'm not doing anything. I'm just visualizing it. At morning, I'm just visualizing it. I'm just like, I have $1 million in my bank account. But I'm not doing anything. I'm just visualizing it. So how can I get 1 million in my bank account? For me, I think manifestation works, but it only works when you take actions. So please remember, everything works in your favor, but when you put in efforts. Like for me, I think manifestation works when you have dreams, when you have like thoughts, you want to become something, and you are doing efforts and you are taking actions. Like every day you are, even sometime we are like, no, I can't do this. I'm not, like, I'm tired. So many times I feel like that. No, I don't know why I have these dreams, but I can't do this. I don't know why I have these thoughts, these dreams. Like, people around me, they are different, and I feel like I'm different. I'm not saying I am the perfect. I'm saying I don't know why I have these dreams. Like, I have so many big dreams, but I feel like if I talk to somebody, they will not understand. So right now, what I think like if you have big dreams, that means your higher version already is living your dream life. Okay, for example, right now my dream is to get $1 million. So maybe in another universe, there is my higher version who is already living that life. So what we have to do, that we just need to go there. We just need to meet our higher version. So how we can meet our higher version? When we have dreams, we have to take action. We have to put efforts. Manifestation is not a magic. It's an alignment between your dreams and your efforts. So dream it, believe it, but remember to put efforts. Like when we are just lazy, we are just dreaming about big things, but we don't want to do anything for that, we can't manifest anything. Okay, for example, I have 10 people. They all have same goals. all like writing down every day their goals, but who will be the winner? Winner will be who will take actions, who will put efforts. So in our life, like manifesting without actions is like wanting a flower but without planting a garden. So if you want to manifest your dream life, you have to take action, buddy. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and for more videos please subscribe my channel Soft Steps with Nimi. And please let me know in comments like which thing you want to manifest badly, and we'll see you in next video.